Alright, hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So what we're doing today, we're going to have a look at my seats for the RS2000. So I bought some of the old Aldridge trimming covers from the UK. I'm actually here in Adelaide in South Australia, so it cost me a bloody fortune, to be honest, about $1,500 just to get the covers here. So what we're going to do is get those fitted. So this would be a bit of a before and after video, I guess. So it'll be a quick look at the seats, and then I'll take them down to the trimmers here in Adelaide, and then we'll have a look at the results and see what these covers do look like. Alright, so here's a look at what we get in the kit for the seats. So that looks like the back of the seat, and then you get the main part of the seat at the top. This looks like the way you sit down, the cover. And I've got these headrests. So these are the roll tops, they're called, the UK headrests. Slightly different to the Aussie ones. So yeah, you can see the Australian one's very simple. I think that was because they were used in a few different cars like the Falcons and the Commodores here, so they were made locally. Alright, so now let's have a look at the condition of my seats. As you can see, this would be the driver's seat. Bit of wear and tear there. I'm gonna have to get that foam fixed. Obviously the wear when you get in, not too bad besides that. Missing the little clip on the side. You've got the wheel down there to adjust. Yeah, there's the driver's seat. Yeah, and this one here, these are kind of broken and the foam's falling through, so that needs repairing as well. Alright, so the passenger side seat actually looks pretty nice. This isn't beater cloth. This was covered in some cloth years ago when I bought the car. The guy actually had redone the seats, but it's not the right pattern. It might be that Commodore pattern that they use. I think they had a VASS Commodore or something like that. You can see it here. You can see the pattern there. It's slightly different. Just looking on the side here, you can see it's missing a little handle there. The little clip thing there. Alright, so I do have those little handle things, or I don't even know what you call them, but notice how they're different. This one's got a pattern, that one's a bit straighter. I'm not really sure how that happened. It's going to need some plastic welding, so hopefully the guys can fix that. Alright, so I do have the little wheel that adjusts the seat, and there's the plastic cover to go with it. Alright, so it's time to take these things to the trimmer. There's a joint called Quality Trimming, I think it is, on Brighton Road in Adelaide. So I've already spoken to them, and they said they'll do it for me, so I'm going to take them there now. There's the workshop. Alright, so you can see I've got the seats back. Can't really see much of the plastic bags on them, but we'll go have a look at them in a sec. Okay, and here we go. Here's a look at the two seats back from the trimmer. So let's have a bit of a close-up look at them. So this one's the driver's seat. There's the new headrest. Have a look at the trim. This is the Aldridge trim that I had sent over. Looking nice. Yeah, so as you can see, we've got the winder on there, I guess, the seat winder. Winds it up and down. The covers, they put a new Allen key bolt in there. They also had to fill out this with a lot of foam because the foam was deteriorated. So in here, also here. Oh wow, have a look underneath as well. So that's all new webbing. You can see the green webbing. Yeah, that just looks like they've done a really good job putting that together. Yeah, and here's a quick look at the second seat, the passenger seat. Same deal really, brand new headrest. That is the UK roll top headrest. So I do have my original headrest down here, which I'll have to get recovered. But there it is, looking good. Same thing, a bit of new foam in there. There's the original winder wheel thingy and the side cap with a new Allen key bolt in it.
And you can see here I'm missing the little knobs that go on the side. Actually, I'm not missing them, I do have them, but yeah, they're a bit trash, so I'm gonna have to get them repaired or just find replacement ones. Yeah, maybe I'll get them 3D printed, or they'll be on eBay, I reckon, too. Yeah, I've noticed this has got a tiny crack. See the tiny crack above the screw? So I'm actually going to replace that as well. I've seen them available at the RS shop here in Australia, so I'm going to grab a set of those, one for each side. Alright, so there you go. These seats are awesome now. I'm going to do a big shout out to Quality Motor Trimming on Brighton Road here in Adelaide. They knocked this out in about 2 weeks for me, so really pleased with that. So thanks guys, make sure you hit those guys up. Quality Motor Trimming on Brighton Road. So one final thing, I'm going to sit in one of these seats. Alright, this is awesome. So yeah, definitely say these trims are really good. So I've been thinking about getting them, I highly recommend them. So yeah, thanks everyone for watching the video today. I really appreciate all the likes and the subscribes, and make sure you leave a comment if you like the video, and I hope to see you guys soon. Cheers, see ya.